नमस्काराः। केन्द्रीयविद्यालयः वायुसेनास्थलम् आवडी चेन्नै प्रस्तौति संस्कृतशिक्षणं कक्षा अष्टमी विषयः संस्कृतम्। पाठ्यपुस्तकं रुचिरा तृतीयो भागः पञ्चमः पाठः कण्टकेनैव कण्टकम्। इदानीं पाठस्य पठनं विवरणं च। एषा एका लोककथा भवति। अयं पाठः कथारूपेण वर्तते। इयं कथा लोककथा भवति। This lesson is in the form of a story. This is a folk story. परन्तु अस्याः शैली पञ्चतन्त्रस्य शैली इव अस्ति. Even though it is a folk story, the style of the story is like the style of the Panchatantra story. नरः चातुर्येण एवं प्रत्युत्पन्नमतिना. नरः a man, चातुर्येण with his cleverness, pratyutpannamatina, timely applying the sense, timely sense, yasmat kasmadapi, with this skill, from any of the trouble, sankatat Muktaha bhavitum arhati, can get rid of any kind of the trouble with his cleverness. That is what the main idea of the lesson. छात्राः एतावत् पर्यन्त पूर्वकथा। एकः व्याधः, व्याधस्य नाम चञ्चलः। चञ्चलः पक्षीणां मृगादीनां मांसविक्रयेण यद्धनं लभते तत् स्वजीविकां निर्वाहयति स्म। तदा एकदा एकस्मिन् दिने वने जालं विस्तीर्य गृहं गतवान्। परस्मिन् दिने यदा सः जालं स्वीकर्तुं गच्छति, दौर्भाग्यात् तत्र पश्यति जाले एकः व्याघ्रः बद्धः आसीत्। सः व्याघ्रं दृष्ट्वा भीतः धावितुं पलायनं कर्तुं प्रयत्नं करोति। तत् दृष्ट्वा व्याघ्रः पृच्छति, भो मानव, कल्याणम् अस्तु ते, मां बहिः निस्सारय, जालात् बहिः निस्सारय इति वदति। व्याधः अपि स्वजालं स्वीकर्तुम् इच्छन् व्याघ्रं निरसारयत्, जालं स्वीकृतवान्. The story so far in the lesson, a hunter called Chanchala, who by hunting animals and birds was earning his livelihood and maintaining his family. One day he spread the net in the forest and came home. Next day when he went and saw, unfortunately there was a tiger caught in the net. Seeing the tiger, he wanted his net, at the same time he wanted to save his life, but anyhow he decided to run away, ready to sacrifice the net and to save his life. On seeing this fellow ready to run away, the tiger thought, if we miss this fellow, nobody can save us, nobody can release us from the net. So the tiger requested him to release him from the net, promising him that he will not kill him. And believing that, the hunter released the tiger from the net. Then the story continues. The tiger says him, Bho Manava, Pipasuhu aham. नद्याः जलम् आनीय मम पिपासां शमय. The tiger throughout the night tried his level best to come out of the net. It was not able, so it became klantah, tired. Then it requested, he relieved the tiger from the net. Now the tiger is telling, Bho Manava, O man, pipasuhu, patum icha pipasa. That means thirsty. Now I am thirsty. Nadyaha, nadi say, from the river, jalamaniya, bring water, mama pipasam shamaya, then help me to quench my thirst, because I am so tired. Believing that the tiger will not kill him, he wanted to help the tiger to get water. Then he decided to go. Then the hunter started going to the river to bring water. Vyagra pipasuhu asit. Vyagrasya pipasa samayitum vyadaha vyagram nadim prati nayati. The tiger is thirsty, so to quench the thirst of the tiger, this hunter is taking the tiger to the river for drinking water. Both of them are going to the river. Then Vyagraha jalam pitva vadati. Vyagra, after drinking the water, it says, Shanta me pipasa, my thirst quenched. Me pipasa, my thirst, Shanta, quenched. Idanim bubukshitaha asmi. Now I am hungry. So far thirsty is quenched. Now I am hungry. Aham tvam kadishyami. I will eat you now. When the tiger told, Aham tvam kaditum ichchami, I am going to eat you now. When the tiger told, this hunter became shocked. He thought, Arey, we saved the life of this tiger. It made a promise. Believing that promise only, we helped the tiger to quench the thirst and to relax. After it gets energy, it is trying to kill me. Then he talked with the tiger. Aham tvatkrite dharmam acharitavan. Aham, the Vyada, who is supposed to kill you or leave you and run away, but tvatkrite, tvat in your case, dharmam acharitavan, I have done my duty. What is the duty? When somebody is in the trouble of saving their life, if they are requesting you, even though they are very dangerous, they are bad, and you have to save their life, because life is more important than anything. And moreover, you promised me that you would not kill me. Believing that promise, I saved your life. That means I did the duty of saving your life. I have done my duty. I have done my duty of saving your life. Tvaya mithya bhanitam. Then you told lies. You said that you will not kill me. Now you are telling that you are going to eat me. Mithya. Mithya means asatyam, lies. Tvam mam kaditum ichchasi. Do you want to eat me? This is very bad on your part. Then the tiger replied, Are murkha, kshudartaya kimapi akaryam na bhavati. Are murkha, foolish one. Kshudha. Kshudha is hunger. Artha. Artha means suffering from, one who has. Kshutartaya, when one is hungry, to get food, he can do anything because food is very important. To get the food, you can do any mischief. That mischief is not considered as a wrong one because food is a basic need. To get that food, whatever misdeed you do, that is acceptable only. Are murkha kshudartaya, for the hungry fellow, kimapi akaryam, there is no prohibited action, nothing is wrong, he can do anything to get his food. Akaryam na bhavati, O fool, nothing is wrong for the hungry people. Sarvaha swartam samihate, and first I promised you that I will not kill you, but now I need a food and you are my food in front of me. If you leave, if you are left, then I cannot have my food. So myself is important for me. Sarvaha swartam samihate. Everyone wishes to be self-satisfied only. Nobody will worry about others. Further, the tiger challenged this hunter. You ask anybody, yam kamapi pricha, you ask anybody, everybody will say everyone is selfish only. Then the Vyada went to the river and he asked the river, what, everybody is selfish? Then Nadi replied, Janaha Mai Snanam Kurvanti. You see there, so many people are taking bath in my water, and all the dirts because of their bathing, it comes to my water. So I help those people to keep themselves clean. And not only this, you see here, Vastrani Prakshalayanti, people are washing their clothes in my water, that dirt also mixed with that. Even then, cleaning away everything, washing away everything, I am helping these people every day. They are using me for taking bath and they are using my water for washing the clothes, everything. Vastrani prakshalayanti snanam kurvanti. So these people should be how grateful to me. But what they did, finally, see here, malam visrijya gachanti. Malam means all the waste things. Visrijya, they throw that in my water. Gachanti, they are going. What they feel? From their house, everything is to be cleaned, and putting that into others, even though they are helping you. This is what they are doing. You see, malam visrijya gachanti. Vastutaha, in reality, sarvaha swartam samihate. In reality, everyone is selfish. They want to be okay. For that, they ready to trouble everybody, even though the fellow who is helping him, that fellow will also be troubled. Like they are misusing and wasting and making me, the river, dirty one. So everybody is selfish only. Nadi replied so. Vyadaha Bahuchintitaha abhavat. The hunter was very much worried. Then Saha Vriksham prati gacchati, Vriksham prichati. He goes to the tree and he asked the tree, Sarvaha Swartam Samihate va. Is it really everybody selfish? It asked. Then the tree started replying, Vrikshaha Prativadati, O Manava Vyada Pasya, O my dear hunter, look at my case. Atra Manavaha Asmakam Chayayam Viramanti. Chaya is shade. the पेड़ के नीचे शेड. मानवाः human अस्माकं छायायां in our shade they're taking rest. Human take rest under me in shadow. They take rest and they are relaxing very much under me, and they make use of all my production, that is phalani, fruits. Asmakam phalani kadanti, they are eating the fruits. I give shelter for them, they don't realize that. I give food for them, they don't realize that. But when it is their personal need, then kutaraihi prahritya kashtam dadati. They give trouble to us by using the kutara. Kutara is axe. Using the axe, they cut us. Wherever they want, they cut. Yatra kutrapi chedanam kurvanti. They can cut in any part. And you cannot beat the people like that. You beat at any part, how they will suffer. The same suffering will be there for us also. But they don't realize all those things. But instead, we are giving them, in spite of all these things, we are giving them shadow and we are giving them fruits. After taking everything, and when it is their need, they need the wooden piece, the tree, they cut us and take. So nobody is grateful. Sarvaha swartam samihate. Everyone is selfish only. Even after hearing this vriksha's reply, the tree's reply, Vyadaha bahuchintitaha punaha. This Vyada hunter is again worried very much without knowing what to do. Abhyasa prashnaha. Kaha pipasuhu asit. Who is thirsty? Who is thirsty? Vyagraha. Kasyaha jalam anetavyam. Which water has to be brought? Nadyaha jalam. Jalam aniya kim karaniyam, bringing water, what to do? Pipasa shamanam, quenching the thirst. Shamanam, quenching. Pipasa, thirst. Kaha jalam pitva punaha avadat. Who drank water and started talking? Vyagraha. Ka shanta. Which is quenched? Pipasa shanta. Anantaram, after that, Vyagraha kidrisaha abhavat. And what happened to Vyagra then? Bhubukshitaha. It became hungry. First it was thirsty. After the thirst is quenched, it has become Bhubukshitaha, hungry. Vyadaha kam acharitavan. What did the Vyada do? The Vyada did dharmam. He did his duty of saving the life. Sarvaha kam samihate. Everyone wants what? Swartham, selfish. Janaha kutra snanam kurvanti. Where the people are taking bath? Nadyam, in river. Manavaha kaihi vrikshanam kartanam kurvanti. The human, with what they are cutting the trees? Kutaraihi, with axes. Paryayavachinaha. Jalam, vari, udakam, water. Sampratam, idanim, now. Khaditum, bhoktum, to eat. Murkhaha, mudhaha, fool. Vrikshaha, taruhu, padapaha, tree. Viloma padani. Dharmam, adharmam. Mithya, satyam. Mithya is asatyam, so opposite is satyam. Murkhaha, viloma shabda, buddhiman. Priya Chatraha, Mitrani, Tava Mitram, K. Raghunatha, संस्कृतशिक्षकः वायुसेनास्थलं केन्द्रीयविद्यालयः आवडि। एतावत्पर्यन्तं द्वितीयभागस्य पाठनं कृत्वा तव समीपे विरामं स्वीकरोमि। अन्यत् अवशिष्टभागं पुनः पश्यामः। तावत्पर्यन्तं धन्यवादाः।